Hi friends, Sarah here, and if you're new to my YouTube channel, welcome. Again, my name is Sarah Peltgrega, and I am the founder and head coach at Strong with Sarah Weight Loss Coaching. And our whole mojo is that we help our clients lose weight while still enjoying chocolate and wine and every other delicious food on the face of the earth. No, you cannot eat those foods all the time and lose weight, but it's still possible to enjoy them in moderation and be successful. I also want to let you know, on top of running my business, I have an almost 3-year-old daughter. I teach indoor cycling classes. I run marathons and half marathons. I have a great husband and lots of amazing family and friends. And so what I'm getting at is I'm very busy. I don't have time during the work weeks or even on the weekends to cook 16-step recipes with 25 ingredients. And so today I want to share with you 4 of my best tips to cook weight loss friendly meals in under 20 minutes. So without further ado, let's get the ball started. Tip number 1, I really encourage you to use pre-cooked or quick cooking protein options in as many of your meals as possible. So I'm talking about ingredients like pre-cooked rotisserie chicken, and you can even already buy it off of the bone from Costco, ready to go. I'm talking about ingredients like canned tuna fish, canned salmon, eggs that are really easy to scramble up or to hard boil, ground turkey, extra lean ground beef that literally takes 5 minutes to brown and cook on the stove. If you're able to prepare those proteins up front for multiple meals, you are saving yourself so much time and energy come busy weeknights or just days where you're not feeling motivated to make a full recipe. So really get smart and use pre-cooked or protein options that cook quickly to your advantage. Now, tip number 2 is do not hesitate to rely on frozen or pre-chopped veggies to make it easier to cook. In terms of nutritious value and caloric value, unless you're buying the frozen veggies that are like sauced or pre-buttered, there is barely a difference in the calorie and nutrient level of frozen veggies versus the fresh ones. And so things like frozen stir-fry mixes that are already mixed up and chopped in the freezer, and you just have to add them to the wok with sauce and protein, are beautiful options for quick, healthy dinners. Other ideas are pre-washed salad kits. Again, add a source of protein that I just mentioned, and boom, you have a 5-minute healthy weight loss meal. Steam in the bag veggies. So again, carrots, broccoli, peas, cauliflower rice. There are thousands of options at the grocery store. However, like I mentioned, really try to stick to ones that are not sauced already. So things like the cheesy options, the buttered options, obviously, those are going to add a lot of extra calories on top of the veggies. Now, tip number 3 is to keep simple, versatile carb sources on hand. So keep things like brown rice and quinoa that can go in the microwave in your pantry. Whole wheat tortillas are great for tacos, wraps, quesadillas. Canned beans are great to throw into so many options. Crock pots, stews, soups, or again, even in the options I just mentioned, you can make black bean quesadillas for my vegetarian friends. You can buy potatoes to keep in the pantry and stab it with a fork and put it in the microwave for a few minutes for an easy baked potato or a baked sweet potato. So again, stock up on the carbs that are shelf stable. They're not going to spoil uber quickly, and they can be used in a variety of meals. Now, last but not least, tip number 4. Master 2-minute sauces for lots of extra flavor without adding a ton of calories. So, obviously, yes, you can buy store-bought ranch dressing and all of the store-bought flavors and sauces and condiments out there. But the reality is, a ton of those store-bought options have added sugar and added calories. So, master 2-minute sauces that you can make at home that are going to be way healthier and taste just as good. Some of the favorites in our house are mixing plain Greek yogurt with a packet of ranch dressing seasoning to make your own ranch dressing, or even adding Greek yogurt with hot sauce and lime to protein bowls, to tacos, to taco salads. I love mixing together soy sauce plus garlic plus ginger. And again, yes, fresh is best, but there's nothing wrong with the already shredded seasonings to make an easy stir-fry sauce or a rice bowl sauce. Another idea that I'll do is I'll blend together 2 tablespoons of hummus with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and just a pinch of water for a nice creamy salad dressing or a dip for vegetables. Another idea, and I don't even have to make this one, but just putting out some salsa. It's a really low-calorie, flavorful option, again, without adding tons of extra sugar and calories to your meals. So the great news is that with all 4 of these strategies, you can combine them into making a healthy, high-protein meal in no time. The key is just you gotta take a little bit of time, and I'm talking 5 minutes, 10 minutes, to sit down and figure out what are the options in all 4 of these categories that I'm going to make for dinners over the next week, and what do I need to get at the grocery store. So again, take 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, figure out the protein you're going to pre-cook, figure out what frozen veggies you need to buy, figure out which simple, versatile carbs you can put into the microwave, and figure out which sauce that you want to make to flavor it with, and boom, you've got countless options of weight loss meals in under 20 minutes. So in the comments below, let me know, what are you going to try? Pick one from each 4 category. Let me know which you're going to try. And I'm also going to pop the URL in the comments below if you're looking for some other healthy recipe ideas, some ideas for breakfasts, lunches, dinners, desserts that take less than 20 minutes to make for weight loss. I'm your girl. I'm going to send you to my website to sign up to get a free e-recipe book. So as always, like, subscribe, and we will chat more next week.